When you think about minimalism, what do you see? Gray walls, monotone color palette, silent rooms, or even clean lines? Are these pictures that come up to you if you think about minimalism? But what if I told you that's not all minimalism has to be? And that's what I want to catch with you today. This video is divided in 3 parts, which is discouragement, interior design, and what has personality also to do with this. Hi, welcome back here on Ladies Mantle. If you're new here, I'm Nina, where I talk about minimalism, simple living, and furthermore. Okay, so let's start with point number 1, discouragement. As a beginner, stepping into minimalism can be a whole other experience. Disconnected of your belongings because you're getting rid of everything and you feel like you're left with nothing. And this can often feel lifeless. Why? You're stepping into a space for emptiness, having no personality, feeling your culture, your joy, your interest are robbed of you because you have to get rid of it, you have to clear it out, and that's often a feeling you will have as a beginner when you're stepping into the content of minimalism. And I can speak that from my own experience. When I went on the journey of becoming more minimalistic, I felt so disconnected of the content that I've tried to approach in my own life, because I thought, okay, if that's the way minimalism has to look like, and that's what it is, it's the way it is presented to us, so that means I have to do the same. But do I have to sacrifice having a lifeless life, no personality, or even feel disconnected with the whole procedure? No. Over the time, I could just detach myself. As I realized over the time, I got more hesitant and frustrated of even going on that path. As a beginner, I learned that I have to see it from a whole other perspective. Just see it more of a way that you can implement these steps that they give you, that you can use these methods, but don't go so subjective on these targets. And that's as well with observing. If you're observing the way something looks, and here comes the interior design in place, which is our second part. So when you have the interior design, what I want you to do here is observe. Watching the content that you like. While you're watching your content, I want you to be open-minded, because there you will find your inspiration of having the aesthetic or the interior design that you can implement in your life. And a few that I can name you are Scandinavian, rustical design, industrial, mid-century style, Japanese, and there are many more. Pick out what you like, combine even interior designs together and make it your own. In that way, you can pick out what you like, get the inspiration from all the content that is out there. This will help you to get the path where you want, and so you can see and observe the content of going as a beginner further. This will help you a lot. Observe it, take what you can, take what serves you, and build from there. And this is exactly it. There is no one way of presenting minimalism or the way minimalism has to be. Observe different cultures. How do they embrace simplicity or even minimalism? You're not erasing your personality. You're just sticking and choosing what you want to keep, and that's where you can build on your foundation. But don't forget that your personality has also a big part in it. Your own belief has something to do. Your location, your culture aspect is a huge thing. Your interest, your hobbies, these parts can also reflect your personal ongoing journey of becoming a minimalist. And you can literally do everything you like. There is no right or wrong way. With the inspiration that you can take from all over the world, from different resources, this will help you to identify your personal preferences and give the character for your home that gives a light atmosphere that you're feeling at home and that truly represents you as well. And that's the part, making it your own, building something for yourself that you are proud of, to be, keep owning, choosing what can stay. That is a big part, and you can be proud of having your own unique way. And yes, styling and having your design is awesome. While you're reflecting on what you personally think it's meaningful, you can identify maybe objects that represent that, or different ways, structure, or even texture that you can implement. These are fun things to do. You can create your own oasis, safe space, so to speak. Yeah, that's really the message I want to give to you, is minimalism doesn't come like in a one-way ticket, and that you basically have to put a stamp on you and that's the way you have to do it now. No, minimalism is more of a lifestyle, of a belief, and not how something looks like. It is the path to choosing clarity in your life and not emptiness, making space what truly sparks you joy and you want to keep and be happy to see around you in your life. So build something meaningful, build something truly you. That's the message I want to give you today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we see us the next week. If you want to subscribe to this channel to be updated, please feel free to do so. Thanks so much. Sending a lot of love. Bye.